You're going to play a game today with metaphors. Remember, we've been talking about poetry for the last few weeks, and poetry is just filled with all kinds of figurative language, similes, metaphors, personification, and imagery, just to name a few. So remember that a metaphor is when you're comparing two things, two unlike things, but you're not using like or as. In a simile, you're using like or as to compare the two unlike things, like I'm as hungry as a horse. Well, my hunger and a horse are two very different things, but when I compare them, you get a picture in your mind and creates that imagery that we're looking for as good writers. A metaphor is when I'm comparing the things that are unlike, but I'm not using like or as. So let me read down through what I have for you today. She is a barrel of laughs. You're toast. I have butterfingers. She has a green thumb. You light up my life. His blood is boiling. Life is a roller coaster. My school is a zoo. Now, here are your choices to answer these. You're in big trouble. I keep dropping things. Life can sometimes be fun, but also scary. You make me happy. She is a good gardener. She is really fun. The kids are hyper and excitable. He was very angry. So I've completed number 2 for you. When somebody says you're toast, means you're in big trouble. So have fun. If you need to do a Google search or talk to your parents, feel free to do so.